Okay, guys, it's the Ed Shed. It's I mean, it's I don't know, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night, and I've got a few confessions to make. I was actually welding this door, welding this hole up, this hole here, and the door lining caught on fire. And you can see it really caught on fire. I had to throw it out the bloody window because it actually set fire to my mat as well. So, own fault. Time's precious. Waste it wisely. But I did the hole. So, I can't complain. Now, I have been working here under the old car. As you can see, I've been cleaning off all the crap, as you can see over here. I'm cleaning crap off from this side as well. I've cleaned all this off with the old grinder. And I've been cleaning inside with the old grinder. Actually a wire brush. So it's not bad. Now I found that, which I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to tack that in with the old spot welder. Going to knock it that way a little bit to clear those things. I've made the two reinforcers up to go out to the outriggers, and I've done those, and I've done both sides. So, that's pretty good. I'm just going to keep cleaning all this crap off there. But I want to break it down. Now, I would have brought it down, except one vital thing. That the actual lift has jammed solid. I made two outriggers to go in there. So I got my two outriggers made. And whether you're going to enjoy those, I don't know. But I made them. They're done. So that's them. I've also been playing with this. Now, obviously you can see here, right away. Cut one out of, I got some spotlights which chopped out. So I'm going to keep trimming that down, put it in there and weld the bugger in. So that'll sort out my headlight. Bumper's gone on, apart from the bit of rust there. Bumper's going to go good. I got some outriggers which I've got to try and sort out, and I got a few bits of bent. I've also done the actual ends of the crow's feet, which you can see they actually line up. So I'm going to say, guys, from the point of view of the front end stuff, apart from the two outriggers, she ain't too far away. Now I've been down the bottom looking. And I started making Edler's list, which is there. Edler's list is all about bits I need. Now, I actually don't want to buy that much stuff for this car if I can help it. So, the list is pretty spot on at the moment. But what I'm going to say is, everything I think I'm going to need, I'm going to be buying. Everything I don't think I'm going to need, I'm going to try and make. And for the fact that all the doors are good and all the locks, I need some screen rubbers. I got one rubber, I'm going to make one. I need a screen rubber either for the front or back, I don't know which. But I'm going to try, if I have to buy one, I'll buy one. And the outriggers I've got there, they're a bit scabby, a bit rusty on the back, but they're going to be good enough to go on here. Unless I find some better ones. I'm not going to be going crazy. And yeah, I you know, come on, you know how you probably do. If you got to how bad it was before I started, then you'll know how good it is now since I started doing it. These are not welded in yet because until I get the actual bumper, I'd rather be able to take them out, then I can weld them in afterwards. So they're in, they're fitted and they fit. So zip, weld, tack, they'll be fine. Same the other side, brilliant job. But yeah, I'm not going to be too worried about it. The rest of it is just going to be a matter of cleaning all out the crap from under the wings. And yeah, I think we're going to be alright. I think we'll be alright. Now, I actually went down and started taking the front subframe apart. So I'm going to walk you down there now. walk this way, guys. Walk this way. I'm going to take you down and show you what I was doing. Now, I'd like to get it, but I just don't like it. This thing's got flat tyres, it's just hideous. Right, okay, so I can't get it. So I'm going to walk down here now, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I came down here, and I took out the bolts that were holding the subframe and the not the subframe, the steering box and steering arms on that one, and I got onto this one. So some of the threads are stripped, they're crap. So this is the one I'm going to use. So I need to get it off here and get it back up in the shed and leave that bloody thing where it is. So I might do that now. I don't know, you guys are seeing it at the same time I am. The discs are good on this one. And we actually do have the original Dunlop calipers, which are actually quite good and free, so it may not get Volvo brakes. It might not get many discs. It may well escape that privilege for a minute. I'm going for the fastness. Now I've got top ball joints and I've got top wishbone rubbers. I've got bottom rubbers, so I can do all that. But I've got to hold those spring cups up, which are a bit of a tricky one, because as you can see, this one's still here and that one isn't. So I've got to try and get that one back on, because that's gone down and shattered the bump stop. So we'll do that. That's on the agenda. It might well get done tonight. I don't know. I'll put the camera down. It might get done. If it doesn't get done, well, then you'll see it another time. The car didn't have power steering, and it actually has a power steering cutout for a power steering rack, which I actually have. But I actually don't want to put power steering on it. I'm going to go with manual steering like that one. I got a good steering box. That's a good one. I got another good one. So I go with manual steering. I'm not going to stop messing around with power steering. I think power steering is for wimps. Well, I don't mean that. Sorry. Power steering is actually really bloody useful for this old crap. But modifying the steering, as the DVLA will tell you, is actually a no-no. So as a no-no, I'm not going to give them any no-nos. Didn't have, it actually did have power steering, this car. But it didn't. But I have got I've got the steering box. I've got the power steering box. It's reconditioned, which is really quite an interesting, sort of like proposition, because I'll take you and I'll show you. Because why not? But I don't know whether I want to use it. I think I could use it, but I don't know whether I want to. Right, so find a way through all the shite, and look at that little puppy there. Look. Right, I'll move that because it's front rest. I get broke. But that is a power steering box, reconditioned. Look, reconditioned, look, see? So I could use that box. I'm sort of tempted to say that maybe I should. But one side of me is saying, if you do, you've got to make a manual, like a alright, electro-hydraulic Vauxhall Zafira. I can do that. Yeah, alright, okay. So I can put a Vauxhall Zafira electric pump on it. Well, we'll see how we go. I mean, we're doing everything we can to keep the costs down. As you can see, we're saving. We've got doors. God, you laughed. I didn't have the camera on, but there I am welding away, only to realise the whole thing's on flames. So the only thing I can do is chuck out there. As you can see, there's the black crap on the floor. So as I throw out the door, it's going up in flames. There's the undersill that's burning. Right? Now the problem I had was I didn't have any water, and I tried to stamp on it. I tried everything I could. Fortunately, I found a watering can full of crap, and I managed to tip it on. And I don't think, other than melting a lot of the filler, which was here where it was burning really bad, I don't think it's gone out of shape. But if it has, well, we've got to put more filler in, haven't we? That's what we can do. So I'm going to say, you know, guys, look, does that look better than you last saw it? And that's another day of my life I'm not going to get back. So I'm going to say, I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to keep going until either I give up or it gives up. So as it stands at the moment, guys, remember two things. One, time's precious, waste it wisely. And two, you only come here once, and if you don't do it while you're alive, you're a long time bleeding dead. So, talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.